There are a lot of night markets and for a lot of other reasons. You know why you have to come to Soy 6. If you don't know, you should never come to Soy 6. So fucking loud. Oh my god. I can't even fucking listen to anything. That's Soy 6 for you. That's the most important part of Thailand, especially in Pattaya. And you know why you have to come to Soy 6. If you don't know, you should never come to Soy 6. Just went to Soy 6. I couldn't talk a lot about there because it's so loud. At the same time, the video is not allowed. But the fucked up part of Soy 6, even though it looks so fancy, everything is so fun, there are a lot of scams happening, and especially with girls. I have heard a lot of guys just falling for the trap, and even if you're horny, not horny, that doesn't matter, but the scams are there. And Soy 6 is a place where you get scammed so often. It is a simple concept. You just have to pick up a girl, get her some drink, and if you want some business, maybe yes, you can do it. But on a general aspect, for someone who has just been to Soy 6, it's a pretty bizarre place, you know. The girls are selling themselves. It is all about skin over there, and it's fun. And I could see only old people, like youngsters, they are here, they are in a different category. They want to just have fun. But if you're old, like around 50s, 60s, if you're coming to Thailand, you're not coming to Thailand for fun. You're coming here just to make love. And they have Viagra, all the sex toys that you wanted. So if your dad says he wants to go to Thailand, maybe he just wants to find a new love. There are a lot of things that you have to understand when you come to Thailand. Even if you're pretty big on a pocket, just don't show money on the public roads. People are here to just fool you around, and especially places like Soy 6 and Walking Street, it's better to keep your money inside your pockets. And be it brown, white or black, whoever you are, you have a different skin tone, you have a different race, they are here to scam. And not just in Thailand, you can see all these things even in any place which is known for tourism. So it's up to you and me to, you know, not get scammed. I'm pretty sure even if there are a lot of warning signs or red flags, people are still gonna fall for the trap. So Soy 6, is it like worth it? Is it a worth place for experiencing the true Pattaya? I mean, Soy 6 is for just one purpose. If you want to have some fun, if you want to flirt with someone, if you want to go to a soapy massage bar, just generally having a fun, maybe Soy 6 is a place for you.